Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we do have quite a bit of 90% off clearance over at Walgreens. Clearance is always a year mileage may vary, meaning what's happening here in Michigan might be completely different than Rhode Island, but it might be the same in Texas. The easiest way to figure this out is to go to your store, grab a couple items, and ask for a price check. It is that easy. So let's hop right into it. The first is these Twizzlers. It's some sort of like summer lemonade flavor, 49 cents. So I'm thinking all of these items that are like part of summer, they just haven't been reset from last year. So that's why these orange tags are populating at many stores. And then the kisses, this was cleared at my store, but one of you was kind enough to send me this picture. 49 cents for this share a size pack. The original price is $4.99. So look for it where they have the summer food, that stuff. And you can also look like maybe where they have the regular kisses. Maybe they might put a couple bags there. You never really know. But it's that patriotic themed one. Definitely look high, look low, look everywhere in the store for those. 49 cents is a stock up price. And then we also have these little boxes of the Lindt chocolate truffles from $9.99 to $2.99. So that's 70% off, so not too shabby, and it looks like you get a good amount of chocolate in those boxes. And we also have the sweet tart ropes for $1.29. The original price is what, like $4 and some change, so they definitely are not giving that away. Definitely look in the app, see if there might be some digital coupons or IBOTTA. This could be some money making candy, but none for this lady. And then I apologize, these are kind of blurry. Some awesome abstract photography. This drink called Sparkling Ice Raspberry, 16 cents, 90% off. And we have a blueberry drink as well at 30 cents. The Polar Seltzers, 18 cents. They had a raspberry and a lemon one, if that's your thing. I think that's more like East Coast to Midwest kind of a drink. Unless they have that in California, let us know in the comments down below. And then we also have a Minute Maid orange juice for 21 cents. And then another nice sparkling beverage. This one's grapefruit for 35 cents. Really stock up that fridge for the hot summer months. And then these Weilers is just like a little additive that you put in your water. 49 cents. I saw that at many stores. So I just noticed a whole bunch of tags this morning and I was like, whoa, that's a Price is Right moment. That's for sure. So definitely I would walk down every single aisle. You might strike big. And this feminine cleaning wash, $1.49 down from $5.99. So it's not just food. It's a little bit of everything that they're clearing out. We also have this Biore face cleaner from $8.99, 50% off at $4.49. Hey, it is what it is. And we have this botanical, it's some sort of like face moisturizer, 50% off from $25.99 to $12.99 if you always wanted to try that. I mean, I like it better when it's 75 or 90, but beggars can't be choosers. We have this L'Oreal moisturizer as well, 50% off at $9.99. There must be some sort of digital coupon to go with that. So definitely scan, see what happens. And tons of these foundations by Maybelline still at many stores. To order this curbside, it's the best deal because there's a little coupon code to get that. We'll talk about that in tomorrow's video. But yeah, I'm still finding a ton of these at many stores. I mean, they're giving them away. And then we have the Wet n Wild lipstick, 50% off at $1.19. So not too shabby for the Wet n Wild lipsticks. And we also have 50% off. It's an insulin cooling case. So if you're traveling with your insulin in the hot summer months, $16.19. So that is a very good price point for this cooling case. And a lot of the stationery products, including like mini staplers and various products like stationery school stuff, up to 90% off. So you might want to walk down that school aisle, or if they have this merchandise towards the front of the store near the batteries and all that stuff, I would definitely look for it, especially if you need some of this stuff. We always need stationery, don't we? These pens are still a bit too rich at $1.29. I would love to see them for 47 cents, but we always don't get what we want, do we? And then these Expo dry erase markers, 99 cents. That's a really good price point for those, and you can use them for many different projects. And then 49 cents for these little inserts that are plastic for your different reports and stuff. That's it for this video, guys. Good luck. You have to do this in store. You can't do it curbside. And get out to the store and see what they might have. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.